Today we will discuss about the Hero Import Bridge. Let's understand how we can help the dealers to import their vehicle purchases to Tally. So first of all, to do this, we have to enable the TCP file, a small file which we have customized. For enabling this TCP, we have to go to F12, Configuration, Product and Features, and then Manage Local TDL, F4. You mentioned the path of the TDL. This TDL will you have to buy from us. Then it will works on your given Tally serial number. So I had configured the TCP. Now my TCP is configured in the Tally. I had created a sample company also. So what I'll do, I'll delete the vouchers of this company. I'll go to the daybook. Now let's understand how this tool import the vehicle purchase entry from the Excel file from the Hero DMS. So first of all, let me show you the files which we are going to import. So this is the Excel file which we received from the Hero DMS. So this is the file. I hope each and every dealer known this format, known this file. So dealer, what they have to do? They have to simply copy this dispatch summary to sheet 1 and that invoice details to sheet 2 and the third part model details table to sheet 3. Simply they have to do this and now you can close it your Excel file. Now this is the configuration in the Excel. What we have to do in the Tally, we have to map our vehicle models with the code because Hero given a specific code to each and every models, but we cannot given the same name of model because we use different kind of name, like instead of GLR we use Glamour, some dealers use Hero Glamours. So instead of changing names we can put the alias to the model name so that it will map with the Hero item name, Hero model name. And we have to enable the batches, maintain in batches option for this. Like this we put the alias for each and every model so that it get linked with the Excel file. Now you can see here the option, new option, Tally Bridge. You have to click on Tally Bridge. We have option of vehicle purchase import. We have to click here and import file where your file has been located. So my file has been located here. So I'll put the address of the file, purchase import. I'll copy the location and I'll put it here. Now in which sheet we have mentioned the dispatch summary, that is the sheet 1, material detail in the sheet 2 and sheet 3. In which voucher type you want to import, that is purchase. What is your name of supplier? Previously you had created Hero Motocorp name as a ledger of creditors. You can map that ledger. Which purchase ledger you going to tag, you can select that, and which godown you want it. So after giving this, you just save this screen, accept, start import, you press it, yes. Only this minutes, this kind of small things you have to do when you received 300 400 lot of vehicles from the Hero Motocorp. If we go for manual feeding, it will takes many times, but if we so much times, but if we go for import, it will takes only few minutes. Now our voucher has been imported, we are ready, but you can see the amount is not taken by the vouchers. Why? Because you can see in the invoices you have received from the Hero there are various charges, so we cannot put the rate of the model in the rate amount. we have to add them the charges with the rate, and we will calculate what average rate, what is the landing cost to the dealers. So we have to put that landing cost of this model, not for each and every chassis. You put it for one chassis, it will automatically capture to all, and now you can save it. So in this way you have to do the vouchers. It is very simple. You can see this is the 38 number of chassis. Within a minute, how many vehicles you had imported. If you go for the manual entry, that will take so much of your time. Now after the import, we have given some report like stock summary. You can see the model wise stock. If you want to see the chassis wise stock, click on detail. You can see the chassis wise stock also. We can also see the aging analysis, means a chassis with us, uh, how many days with us, how many days old that chassis was. So we can click on this and we can see that the chassis with us below 45 days, below 40 days, 40 to 90 days. So this kind of thing we can generate it. So this important thing, this important working of your day-to-day activity can be easily managed with this customization. So hope this video is helpful for all the dealers who are watching this of the Hero MotoCorp, and I hoping that this will be very beneficial tool for each and every dealer. Thank you.